Meaning of grass court.
Grass court.
Grass court.
Grass court.
Grass court. A grass court is a type of playing surface used in tennis that is made up of natural grass. It is the fastest of the three main court surfaces, as the ball bounces lower and skids through the surface quickly. The grass surface is unique in that it can also affect player movements, as it can be slippery and cause players to lose their footing. The grass court is considered a prestigious surface, with the most famous tournament being Wimbledon, which is played annually on grass courts. Overall, the grass surface offers a unique and challenging playing experience for tennis players.